Okay, guys, welcome back for another episode of our Ganiteo Lang Yan, where we teach you um, different things that will help you in um, in your schoolwork, especially for students, and we solve different issues encountered by the students and other people. For today's episode, the question would be um, most of the time that students were asked to create or submit a paper with complete um, topics or complete parts like introduction, objectives, things like that. Um, what they usually do is whenever they create table of content, they do manual typing for the title and then the page number, the the subtopic, and then the page number, and they will also do the page numbering by themselves. And it's really that difficult for them, and it's difficult for them to do it manually. Because let's say um, I have table of I create my table of content. Um, let's say no, the most common papers were written in Times New Roman. So let's type table of content, and then um, Roman numeral number one, or let's say introduction. I have introduction there, and I want to add dots, or some would use dashes, and then they will type in the page number, page 2, and let's say um, objective, objective, objectives. They will do this again, put dashes, and then put the page number, page 3, and it takes time to do it, especially if you, let's say you have different, like more than 10 parts of your paper, and each part will have different subtopics, and that's really a tedious job to do. So how are we going to solve that? Ganiteo lang yan. So first is Microsoft Word has an option for automatic table of content. Where? How to do that? So on your menu, click on References, Table of Content, and then you have two samples for your automatic table of content. Your automatic table 1, automatic table 2. Whether you want contents or table of contents, it's up to you. Okay. What I usually use is table of contents. So there. No table of contents entries found. Okay. So how are we going to add that so that it will automatically populate the information that we need there? So for example, I will have my introduction here. I will write for for the longest time I have been in this industry. Okay, let's just type that one. Okay, but I want it to appear here. So how am I going to do that? So on the home menu, you will see here styles. This will play a big part in formulating or creating your table of content. Okay, make sure that you know which one is your main topic, your subtopic. Okay, so for example, introduction is a main topic, is a main title. So from your styles, you should select heading 1. Okay, heading 1. If you don't like this style, You just have to right click it, modify, change it from here. Whether you want Arial black, the font size, you want it bold, you want the color to be blue, black, green, whatever color you wanted. And there. And once you're done with that, you just have to from the word no table of contents entries found, just right click that one, update field, or you could just click on update table. There you go. You have your introduction, your page number, this one. Okay, what if I want to have my subtopic here, like let's say parts of a story. I want this to be a subtopic, parts of a story. If it's a subtopic, all you need to do is to, from your styles again, click on heading 2. You can also modify that to whatever you want. So modify, I want it aligned left, I want it aligned justified, center, right, whatever I want it aligned to. So let's say aligned right. And then from here, just click on update, click again, and then update table, update entire table, and there you go. Page 2. I want it on page 3. If I put that on page 3, there, it's now on page 3. And if I update this table, it will update page 3 there. Okay. And if I want to add page numbers, you just have to, please don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube. Just search for Ganitheo Lang Yan and click on subscribe.